Hello students, the next question is question number 54. So this question is basically, as you can see, is from the set theory. So in this question it has been said that in a class of 35 students, 16 students play football and 24 students play cricket. Then assuming that each one plays at least one game, then the number of students who play both the games is 5, 11, 12 and 17. So if we take that, let the set of students playing football be F. So number of students playing football, it has been given as 16. So n of F is 16. Number of students playing cricket, C, we can denote it by 24. And the total, and it has been said that each one plays at least one game. Means there is no student who does not play any game. They at least play one game. So therefore we can say that the total number of students, that F union C, the students who play football or cricket or both of them, is the total number of students in the class, and this is equal to given as 35. Now we know that by formula we know that n of F union C is nothing but number of students playing football plus number of students playing cricket minus the number of students who play both football and cricket. So this is equal to 35 16 plus 24 minus F of F intersection C. So therefore the number of students who play both football and cricket is equal to, if we take this on the left hand side and bring 35 onto the right hand side, so 16 plus 24 is 40, 40 minus 35, we have 5. So there are 5 students who play both the games. So this is option A. So option A over here is the correct option. Now let us move on to the next question. The next question, which is question number 55, it has been said that if f of x is equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2, then f of 1 by x is equal to, these are the options that have been given. So we have been given that f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. So that implies that if we find out f of 1 by x, so this will be equal to 1 by x plus 1 upon 1 by x plus 2. So this will again come down to x plus 1 by x plus 2. So now if we find out f of 1 by x, so this will be equal to f of 1 by x plus 1 upon f of 1 by x plus 2. Since we put in place of f, in place of x, we have put f of 1 by x. Now f of 1 by x, as we have already found out, is x plus 1 by x plus 2, x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus, there is a 2 over here. So now this x plus 2 in the denominator is cancelled out, and we ultimately are left with twice x plus 3 by thrice x plus 5. So as you can see over here, this is the structure that we are ultimately left with. I have committed, I have done a slight mistake over here. As you can see over here, I have taken 1 plus x plus 2 as x plus 2. This is not the thing. This should have been twice x plus 1. So this is the mistake that I have committed over here, so I need to correct it. So what I'll do, I'll try to rub it off. Try to rub this portion, and this portion, and rewrite it. So this will come down to 1 plus x by 1 plus twice x. So this can be rewritten as f of 1 by x is, we have already found out, 1 plus x plus 1 by twice x plus 1 upon 1 plus x by 1 plus twice x plus 2. So this will come down as 1 plus x plus 1 plus twice x, this will be thrice x plus 2, and then in the denominator we'll have 1 plus x into 2 plus 4x. So 5 of x plus 3, which is, as you can see over here, this is given by option C. So option C over here is the correct option. So we'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. If you have any doubt regarding these problems, you can comment in the comment section below and we'll try to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video.